Hey, it's Rachel, and today I have Kelly from Glam Squad here teaching me the proper way to cover up a pimple.
We are gonna cover that guy.
Please.
So first I'm going to be starting with a moisturizer. And all of these steps when it comes to your makeup today, I'm calling distraction tactics. Whenever you have a pimple or something that you wanna hide, you wanna make sure that your skin's really glowing, that you maybe do a really beautiful eye look, so that way no one is actually gonna be looking. And now we're going to add some foundation.
You're using so much less on your brush than I normally do when I try to cover up a pimple.
Yeah, that's the key. Several light layers. I'm actually going to use a slightly warmer color, a very peachy toned concealer.
Because my pimple is really dark, that's why you're going for a peach tone?
Exactly. So I always say peaches for blueberries and bananas for cherries. So
oh my God.
The peach counteracts the blue, and if you have more of a red pimple, you can use something that has a little more yellow to it.
Yes.
And I'm targeting the area first, and then almost like a bullseye, just circling right around it. I will also take a small brush that is naked, that doesn't have any product on it, and I'll blend the edge. Now, I wanna match the rest of your skin tone. You have a little bit more of a golden undertone, so I'm going in with something that is a little bit more gold on the concealer side. I'm just going to set the work, right? We did all this hard work, so now we wanna make sure that it lasts all day. Because we're being really strategic today, we wanna use something really small and fluffy. This is the moment where I do wanna give myself a second, because I want that powder to actually press in and set. If you just try and blend it right away, it'll actually remove the makeup that we spent all of this time going in and layering on. Then I can go all the way around and blend out the perimeter. Awesome, there you go. So then it should be set for all day long.
Oh my God, where'd it go? He's gone.
You should wave goodbye to it, bye.
Yes. Peace out, pimple. I finally learned the proper way to cover up a pimple. Thank you so much, Kelly.
Oh, you're welcome, you're welcome. That's what I'm here for.
So excited. I almost want another one just so I could practice.